Opposition leader Ronnie Lyngdoh has said that the confrontation between Assam and Meghalaya on border dispute is not going to resolve the matter. He said that both the governments have to find an amicable solution to ensure that people residing in those areas do not suffer. He stated that the government is taking up the matter seriously and the dispute should be resolved in the spirit of give and take, and people should be safe. It may be mentioned that the chief ministers of both the states will also conduct a joint visit to some of the disputed areas after Independence Day.
Confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we need to have an amicable solution between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. I think confrontation is not going to solve the problem. I think we have to have a dialogue, amicable solution to all this problem, because you confront, they will also confront. So in the process, the people will suffer. So I think the best solution is sit across the table, talk it out, and then in a spirit of give and take, in that cordial atmosphere, and then ensure that people living there are safe on both sides of the border.